Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use embed blocks on Squarespace. If you've ever wanted to add customized content like an interactive map, a custom widget, or even an external video to your website, learning how to use embed blocks is the key. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the confidence to enhance your Squarespace site with embedded links and code, making your pages more dynamic and engaging for your visitors. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to Squarespace and log into your account. This is your home base, where all your websites and projects live. Once you're inside, click on the website where you want to add your embed block. This will take you directly to the dashboard for that specific site, so you can start making changes. Next up, hit the Edit button. It's usually located in the top right corner, the gateway to customizing your site. Editing mode is where you can play around with layouts, text, images, and of course add new blocks to your content. Take a moment to let the editing tools load. Sometimes it takes just a second or two depending on your internet connection or your browser. Now, with editing enabled, move your cursor over the section of your page where you'd like to add the embedded content. Hovering is important here. Don't worry if you need to wiggle your mouse a little to find the spot. As you hover over the section, you'll see an Add Block button pop up in the top left corner of that section. This button is your friend. It's what lets you insert new elements into your site, step by step. Click that Add Block button. You'll get a menu with a variety of block options, text, images, maybe even charts, but what you're looking for is Embed. Go ahead and select the Embed block. Squarespace will drop this block into your chosen section, creating a container where you can put your custom content. To actually add your content, double-click on the newly added Embed block. This brings up a dialog window. It's a bit like opening a notepad where you can paste in either a link or a snippet of code. Now, this is where things get really flexible. For example, if you want to show a YouTube video, just grab the link, paste it here, and you'll see the video display right inside your site. Alternatively, if you're embedding something a bit more advanced, like a custom widget or form, you'll want to use the code option. Squarespace gives you a button labeled Code Snippet within the Embed Block editor. Click it, and you'll see a field for pasting your raw embed data or HTML code. This is perfect for things like Google Maps, custom forms, or third-party booking calendars. Paste your code into this field, and don't worry if your code looks long or complicated. Squarespace handles the back-end magic, so your widget or form should appear correctly right on your site preview. Once you've pasted your link or code, just click out of the block to exit the editor, and you'll see your embedded content live on the page. If something doesn't look right, take your time. Double-check the link or the code snippet. Sometimes a missing bracket or quotation mark can cause a hiccup, but more often than not, Squarespace processes embeds smoothly. And that's it. You've just added an embed block, customized it, and brought in new content that makes your page richer and more interactive. Whether you're adding a newsletter sign-up, a live stream, or your favorite music playlist, the embed block is a powerful tool you'll really enjoy using. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Drop any questions in the comments below if you need a hand. I'm here to help. And if you want to keep learning more Squarespace tricks or website tips, make sure to subscribe for more how-to videos coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.